Welcome to California Coast University's new student orientation. We'd like to thank you for choosing to enroll at California Coast University. We know that one of the key components to success is having educational tools. We are proud to offer the tools to help our students meet their educational and lifelong learning goals. The university was founded on this promise, and we are committed to keeping it. How to get started. To help you get started, the Student Services Department has put together this new student orientation. We hope you will find it useful and informative in answering many of the questions you have about the university, the enrollment process, your course requirements, how to complete your program, various options you have, and in general, how things work at California Coast University. If you have any questions, please contact us for assistance. By phone, 714-547-9625, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can email testing@calcoast.edu. By mail, 925 North Spurgeon Street, Santa Ana, California, 92701. Connecting to the CCU Student Portal. Log on to our main website, calcoast.edu, and then click on the Student Login button, upper right-hand corner. What is Coast Connection? Coast Connection is the student information portal that lets you stay connected to California Coast University. Through the portal, you can check your grades, order course materials, rent textbooks, submit your work, make payments, send messages to the university, find valuable resources. Welcome to Coast Connection. On your homepage, you will find a graph that shows your academic progress as well as your time remaining in your program. Although the program is self-paced, students are expected to demonstrate reasonable academic progress, meaning the successful completion of at least one course every 6 months. Time limits per program. Certificates, minimum 16 weeks, maximum 2 years. Undergraduate and master's, minimum 9 months, maximum 5 years. Doctorate, minimum 3 years, maximum 10 years. My messages. To stay connected, we will send you messages through Coast Connection regarding your program. On this page, you will receive messages regarding all your course activities, grades, faculty feedback, etc. In addition, you may also use the Send a New Message button to contact us. This will allow you to send a message to testing, faculty, accounting, the library, the registrar, and student services. My Account page. From the My Account tab, you can sign up for paperless statements, print statements, check your balance, make one-time credit card payments, access company reimbursement and payment authorization forms, download accounting forms like the automatic payment authorizations, request transcripts, view proctor information, get tax statements, and change your billing and shipping information. My Academic Plan. From the My Academic Plan tab, you can view the list of courses required for your degree program, check your unit exam grades, and see if your writing assignments have been received and scored. This tab also allows you to complete your unit and challenge exams and schedule and complete your final exams. Library. From the Rental Library tab, you can find your required textbook information and rent or renew textbooks. View your rental history, view your library account, and refer to the Rental Library FAQs. Term Calendar. This tab can be used to view semester dates, as well as the holidays we will be closed. Some students must complete their programs based on designated terms. If you're required to use a term, example, VA students, company reimbursement students, military, etc., please refer to the term calendar. Understanding your degree, transfer credit, experiential credit, and specialized training. Your academic plan will show your progress toward completing your certificate or degree. Your plan might include the following: transfer credit, or CBT, for academic work you completed at another college or university; specialized training, or CBE, and/or experiential credit, EXP, for professional training or experience; study guide, SG, or challenge exam, CE, for coursework you will complete at CCU. Reviewing and downloading the study guide. Study guides are developed based on a required textbook and serve as a guide for the course material. Each study guide will contain tools to help you master the course material, including course syllabus, learning objectives, resources, pre-tests, self-tests, case studies, keywords, chapter overviews and summaries, multiple choice exams, and writing assignments. To download your study guide, log in and select My Academic Plan. Click the course code link, then click Download Study Guide link. On the study guide's cover, you will find the course number and course name, the revision date, lower left corner. Textbooks. Textbook information is released with each course and can be found in the Library Rental tab. You may obtain your textbook through California Coast University's rental library or through an alternate source. We understand textbooks can be costly, so we offer our rental textbooks for a nominal fee of $35 for a 120-day period. Each textbook requires a $50 refundable deposit. To get you started, you can set up a library rental account and place your textbook order online under the Rental Library tab, or contact the librarian by email at library@calcoast.edu or by phone at 714-547-9625 with any questions you may have. Completing your courses. Once you've downloaded your PDF study guide and ordered your textbook, it's time to begin your course. To complete your course and receive credit, you will need to submit the following for grading and evaluation: business, criminal justice, general studies, healthcare, and psychology students complete the following requirements for each course: pre-test, 25 multiple choice questions. This exam does not count toward your final grade, but helps us to assess your base of knowledge at the beginning of the course. 4 unit exams, 25 multiple choice questions each. 4 writing assignments, pass, no pass. 1 final exam, 100 multiple choice questions. Education students complete the following requirements for each course: pre-test, 25 multiple choice questions, MED students only. 4 unit essay exams, 4 essay questions per exam. 1 final exam, multiple choice examination. Dissertation for EDD students only. Course grades. Your grade will be based on the following: each unit exam is worth 20% of your overall grade, and the final exam is also worth 20% of your grade. How to submit your pretest. By Coast Connection, log in, select My Academic Plan, select a course, select Take Exam. By fax, 714-547-1451. Do not include a cover sheet or any other correspondence. Our test fax machine accepts answer sheets only. By mail, 925 North Spurgeon Street, Santa Ana, California, 92701. Remember, the pretest does not affect your course grade. The pretest is used for CCU's internal research purposes only. How to submit your unit exam answer sheet. For business, criminal justice, general studies, healthcare, and psychology students. Depending on the course and delivery method, the unit exam may be administered in one of 3 different styles. Printed exams can be mailed or faxed to us. Online, older course revision. Exam is in the study guide and you submit your answers online. Online, newer course revision. Randomized questions. To streamline your learning experience, exams for courses revised after 2018 can be found in the My Academic Plan tab. For online exams, log in, select My Academic Plan, select a course, select Take Exam. If submitting by fax or Coast Connection, please allow 1 to 2 business days for grading. If submitting by mail, please allow 7 to 10 business days for grading. Important, you cannot retake a unit exam if the final exam has been released. As a reminder, always keep a copy of your answers. What are writing assignments? For business, criminal justice, general studies, healthcare, and psychology students. After each unit exam, you will need to complete a writing assignment. These assignments are graded on a pass-no-pass basis and offer you the opportunity to apply the knowledge you have learned throughout the course. For education students, each unit exam consists of writing assignments only. Each unit exam comprises 20% of your course grade. Each unit essay exam consists of 4 essay questions. Writing assignments may be submitted by Coast Connection. Log in, select My Academic Plan, select a course, select Take Unit Exam. By mail, 925 North Spurgeon Street, Santa Ana, California, 92701. By email, essays@calcoast.edu. Please allow 7 to 10 business days for grading upon receipt. As a reminder, always keep a copy of the work you submit to the university. Completing your writing assignments. For the writing assignments, you will find helpful information in the study guide and on Coast Connection in the Student Resources tab within Writing Basics and Writing Lab, including how to format your essay, tips for writing an essay, and sample essays to make sure your work is on track. Word count. Word count is not one of the criteria that is used in assigning points to writing assignments. However, students who are successful in earning the maximum number of points tend to submit writing assignments that fall in the following ranges. Undergraduate courses, 350 to 500 words, or 1 to 2 pages. Graduate courses, 500 to 750 words, or 2 to 3 pages. Doctoral courses, 750 to 1,000 words, or 4 to 5 pages. As a reminder, always keep a copy of the work you submit to the university. Formatting online writing assignments. If you are submitting your writing assignments through Coast Connection, please be advised of the following. Do not include your student ID, name, course name, and unit number in the body of the online editor. These are automatically added for you. Copying and pasting from a word processor document may not always produce the desired results. Formatting may be lost or incorrect, symbols disappearing or not displaying. Make sure to test and always check your essay before saving. Remember, you must preview your essay before you submit it. Notice how your student ID, name, course, and unit are automatically included for you. As a reminder, always keep a copy of the work you submit to the university. Repeating exams, courses, and academic failure. Repeating exams. Students may retake one unit exam per course free of charge. The fee for each additional repeated exam is $90. Payment must be paid in full to the finance department before exams are released. Each unit exam may only be repeated once, and requests to retake unit exam will only be honored if the final exam has not been sent. Repeating courses. Students must receive a final passing grade in each required course. If a student should receive an overall course grade of D or F, undergraduate level, C, D, or F, graduate or doctoral level, then the student must pay the current cost of tuition to repeat the course to receive a passing grade. Students may contact Student Services for additional information. When do you take your final exam? Business, criminal justice, general studies, healthcare, and psychology students. After you have successfully completed the pretest, 4 unit exams, and submitted the 4 writing assignments, it is time for you to take the final exam. Education students. After you have successfully completed the pretest and the 4 unit essay exams have been graded, it is time for you to take the final exam. You will find the final examination scheduling form located toward the end of each study guide. You can also submit your request via Coast Connection. Log in, select My Academic Plan, select a course. Choose digital format or hard copy printed format. Select a proctor if required. Click Submit. Please fill out the form completely and submit it to the university, either by mail or fax, 714-547-5777. Additional information on choosing a proctor is in your study guide. As a reminder, always keep a copy of your answers. Proctored Final Examinations. If you are required to complete a proctored final exam, the following will provide additional information on the requirements. California Coast University requires that students complete all final exams with the exception of the elective courses under the supervision of a proctor. The proctor is selected by the student and approved by the university. Typical examples include a friend, neighbor, supervisor, co-worker, librarian, counselor, etc. A proctor can be any reputable person other than a relative, someone who resides with you, or a current or former CCU student. Students are permitted to utilize any notes, study guides, calculators, or other materials used during the completion of their coursework. After we receive the final examination scheduling form, CCU will send your final exam to your designated proctor via email or mail, along with instructions on how to access your final exam. For online final exams, the final exam will be sent directly to the proctor, and additional instructions for submission will be provided with your final exam. Challenge examinations. Depending on the student's prior learning experience, students may be assigned challenge exams for some of their courses. A challenge exam is a different style of course, with 3 credits awarded upon completion. A challenge exam consists of 100 multiple-choice questions and requires a textbook. If you're not happy with your grade on a challenge exam, you may repeat the course with a study guide. Undergraduate students who earn a grade of D on a challenge exam have the option of completing the study guide in an attempt to raise their grade. Undergraduate students who fail a challenge exam are required to complete a study guide for the course. Graduate students who earn a grade of C on a challenge exam have the option of completing the study guide in an attempt to raise their grade. Graduate students who fail a challenge exam are required to complete a study guide for the course. Challenge examinations are not offered to doctoral students. Completing challenge examinations. Students completing a challenge exam will submit one answer sheet only. By Coast Connection, log in, select My Academic Plan, select a course, select Take Exam. By fax, 714-547-1451. Do not include a cover sheet or any other correspondence. Our test fax machines accept answer sheets only. By mail, 925 North Spurgeon Street, Santa Ana, California, 92701. If submitting by fax or Coast Connection, please allow 1 to 2 business days for grading. If submitting by mail, please allow 7 to 10 business days for grading. As a reminder, always keep a copy of your answers. How to request additional courses. Request by phone, 714-547-9625. Request online. Log in. Select My Academic Plan. Click Remaining Courses tab. Click Course Code link. Check on textbook availability if you want to rent from the CCU rental library. Choose digital format or hard copy printed format. Click Submit Request. Business, criminal justice, general studies, healthcare, and psychology students can request up to 4 courses at a time. EDD students can only take 1 course at a time. All requests are processed within 8 business hours. However, requests made after normal business hours and weekends are processed on the next business day. Tracking your academic hours. In order to award academic credit for courses, CCU must ensure students spend a minimum number of hours on each course. To document the total number of hours you spent on your course, you will find a sample worksheet for tracking your academic activities in each study guide. Throughout your courses, we ask you to keep track of your hours as outlined on the worksheet. 3-unit courses. 90 hours of student preparation time and 45 hours of student engagement time are required, total of 135 hours. 4-unit courses. 120 hours of student preparation time and 60 hours of student engagement time are required, total of 180 hours. You will find additional information in your study guide regarding tracking your hours and the various activities you might be engaged in. Your graduation. When you are ready to graduate, you will need to submit the petition for graduation form to the registrar's office, available on the student portal. You may be awarded your certificate, associate, bachelor, master, or doctorate degree when all official transcripts listed on your application have been received by California Coast University. You successfully completed all requirements in your program of study, as noted on your academic plan. You have an overall grade point average of C 2.0 at the undergraduate level and B 3.0 at the graduate level. You have satisfied all financial obligations. You have been enrolled a minimum of 16 weeks for a certificate program, 1 academic year, 9 months for a degree program excluding doctorates, 3 years for a doctorate degree. Email settings. To ensure efficient communication, please help us by adding the following email addresses to your safe sender list in your email account: testing@calcoast.edu, grading@calcoast.edu, essays@calcoast.edu, library@calcoast.edu. What to do if you fail a course? You want to retake a course for a better grade. You lost your answer sheets. You lost your course materials. You want to extend your library book rental. You have questions. Contact Student Services. We're here to help you. How to contact Student Services. If you ever have any additional questions, concerns, or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. By phone, 714-547-9625, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. By email, testing@calcoast.edu. By fax, 714-547-5777. By mail, 925 North Spurgeon Street, Santa Ana, California, 92701. Again, thank you for choosing California Coast University to help you meet your educational goals. We hope this new student orientation has been helpful, and we wish you success.